Hey, welcome to my channel, or welcome back to my channel, or I don't even know. I don't know. Since I don't say that big long spiel anymore, I'm kind of at a loss for what to say. Welcome. I feel like it's been a while since I've unboxed something, and it actually has been a while. I'm really shocked. Out of the some odd 40 boxes that I get on this channel, I've received 3 this month. 3. I am not sure why. I don't know what's going on, but I feel like I have been kind of left behind. I see everybody unboxing their boxes and I'm just like, dang, where are my boxes? Because last month and the month before that, it just seemed like they come in like one right after the other. I basically had something to say every single day. I had a box to open every single day, or at least every other day, but I was uploading pretty close to every day of the month, last month and the month of April. So I am not entirely sure where my boxes are, but I do have 2 boxes for you today. The first one I am unboxing for you is the gentleman's box. I am not sure how much this costs. Per my usual, I will put it on the screen. But this is essentials for the man, or for the savvy man is what it says. And so they're basically just things that can go with your typical everyday outfit, I guess. So you open it up and this is what I see on the inside. And in your pamphlet, it does have the items that are in your box, and it tells you how much they cost. I'm just gonna kind of set that to the side so it can be a surprise. And so then I see this, and it says Grand Collection, and it looks like it's a watch collection. And I guess you can just go and buy a watch if you choose to, and if you use the code gentleman's box, you can save 15% on your order. And so they have a sticker here. I'm going to go ahead and peel into that, and that's what I see. So the first thing I'm going to pull out here is a pair of socks, and they feel very nicely made. They feel thick. It's a nice little red, white, and blue pattern on top of a gray sock. And let's see, these socks retail for $14. And the next thing I am pulling out here is a tie. Now, that looks like red, white, and blue to me, and usually these boxes have sort of a theme. That looks more like red, blue, and silver opposed to white. So I'm not sure, maybe it's supposed to look white, but it's silver, or maybe that's supposed to look silver and it's white. Either way, it is a tie. It has a nice print. And the tie retails for $23. The next thing I am pulling out here is a little baggie. And in the bag, it's a lapel pin. So it is a rose, a red rose, and it is a lapel pin, and it retails for $15. The next thing I am pulling out here is this, and it says the Dapper Cats. Oh, and it's a pocket square, and it is in paisley. And that retails for $10. And then the last thing I am pulling out here is a box. and it says W. Marison on it. And, oh, that's interesting. So it's a watch. Is that this kind of a watch? No, this says North Accent. So, so it's a watch, and it is a watch with a blue band. Let's see. Rose gold watch. It retails for $60. Wow. That's kind of cool. So I'm not going to really take it out of the packaging here, but that does feel like a real leather band. My husband might really like that. Cool. All right, you guys, that was the gentleman's box, and I will see you later. Have a great day. Bye.